6 length. Made of smooth birchwood. 100% compostable, a great alternative to plastics and expensive corn-based products. 100 forks, 50 spoons, 50 knives. Compostable wood product. Wooden disposable cutlery kit 6, 100 forks, 50 spoons, 50 knives. 6 inches in length. Wooden cutlery. Made of smooth birchwood. Top reviews from the United States. Will order more. I ordered these for my daughter's first birthday party, as a means to cut down on plastic consumption and be more eco-friendly, and I will probably order another set or so just to have around the house. Like a few other reviewers said, some do have splinters. This wasn't a problem for me since I just pulled stray splinters off with a pair of tweezers as I was making utensil sets for the party. The quality seems very sturdy, though we haven't tested them out with food. The knife appears that it will perform the same as that of a plastic one. I will update after the party. So excited to use these.